Alright guys, in this video we will be connecting Kraken to CryptoScat using API keys so that you can generate your tax reports without any hassle. So without any further ado, let's quickly get into this guide. Now as you can see here on my screen, I have logged into my Kraken account, and the first thing that you have to do is go to your profile icon up top and navigate to security. Now under security, simply go to API. Now once you're in API key management, all you got to do is click on add a key, and the first thing that you can do is name your API key anything that you would like. Now let's just name it KRAKEN TAXES 2023. Now under key permissions, all you have to do is select everything that has query in it, right? And then you can choose to export data as well. Now remember guys, we don't need deposit or withdrawal permissions for the API keys because we don't have to withdraw or deposit your funds just to generate your tax reports, right? Which is why all we need is query funds, query orders, and query all the ledger entries. Now down here you can choose to whitelist certain IP addresses so that it adds on to another layer of security to your API key. But for the sake of this video, I will just leave it blank, right? Now under key expiration, you can choose to have a time frame for the API key for maybe like a month or maybe like an year or something like that, right? Once again, I'm going to leave this as blank, but you can certainly choose a time frame for your API key expiration. Now down here you can also include the query start date and query end date. Essentially, if you want to be filing taxes for the year 2023, your start time could be a particular date coming from January and it could go all the way towards December, and the API key will access the transactions only from that time frame. But for the sake of this video, I will leave this blank as well. So what this key will do is it will query my entire transaction history from Kraken. Now once I'm done with all of this, I'll click on generate key. Now all you got to do is put in your two-factor authentication. Alright, so there we have it. We have a new API key and a new API secret as well. Now this is also called as private key by Kraken. Now the first thing that you have to do now is to save these keys somewhere safe, because once you navigate away from the screen, you will not get the private key displayed to you once again. So it's quite essential to keep these keys saved somewhere. Okay, so once you've successfully saved your API key and secret, all you got to do is click on save. Now there you have it. Once you have successfully created your API key, you will see it listed right here under the API key management. Basically your API key is all set to go. Alright, so as the next step, all you got to do is go to cryptoscat.com, and once you're in here, simply click on sign up. It'll hardly take a couple of seconds, guys. It's done using a Google account, so you don't really have to worry about anything. Just click on sign up and sign up using a Google account. It's going to be really quick. Now since I already have an account with CryptoScat, all I'll do is click on get started, and that will take me to app.cryptoscat.com. Now inside the app, the first screen that you will be greeted with is going to be your dashboard. The dashboard shows all of your relevant data that you have integrated on CryptoScat, right? So let's integrate Kraken on CryptoScat using our API keys. For that, all you got to do is under menu, navigate to wallet/exchanges, and in the search bar, look for Kraken. Now we do support CSV uploads as well, and if you need guidance for that, I will link the guides down in the description below so that you can check it out for yourself. Alternatively, all you can do is click on this little link right here. That will take you to Kraken import guide, and that should give you all the steps to integrate Kraken to CryptoScat using API keys and CSV methods. For the time being, we are importing our API keys. So let's quickly name the wallet and put in our API key and the secret right here. Now, under advanced options, you can choose to import your transactions between a certain time frame as well. Now remember guys, this is something which we did on Kraken as well. So if you have already made an API key for a specific time frame, you can simply choose to ignore that. On the other hand, you can do the same thing on our platform as well while you're importing your keys. So once you're done choosing your time frame, all you have to do is click on import your transactions. Now once you're done importing your keys, allow CryptoScat to synchronize with the request for a couple of minutes. So once CryptoScat is done synchronizing with all of your transactions, all you got to do is under menu, once again go to reports, and under summary you can choose to download your tax reports in multiple formats. That's it guys. This is as easy as it can get. I don't remember filing taxes with this ease, right? So what are you waiting for guys? Simply go to the platform, check it out for yourself, sign up and generate your first free tax report. And thanks for choosing CryptoScat.